Hey, what can I help you with?
I don't like what I've got.
I can fix that for you.
Really?
Put your hand out. There we go. They come right up.
Wow! They're all gone! Thanks so much!
Hey, what about a tip?
Bubbles are so much fun! Ooh, I got a lot of them this time! Hey! I think I just got a genius idea! I'm gonna need a lot of candies. And now for some hot air! Here I go! Time to melt some candies! Ooh, look! They're turning into puddles! Now it's one colorful candy puddle! Done! Now for the next step. I'll dip the end of my straw into the melted candy. Just like that. And now it's bubble time! Oh my gosh! Wow! I'll do some more! Little candy bubbles!
Hey, can I try too? Thanks! I could spend all day popping this. Hey, what's up? Oh, you've got chocolate! Wanna do a trade? No! The Skittles! Shoot, they spilled all over the place. Huh. A bunch landed in my push pop. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's do this! A Skittle in each spot. And now to add the melted chocolate. It perfectly fills in the rows. All the way down, from end to end. And we'll just stick it in the freezer for a bit. Now it's ready to pop right out. Look! We mixed the candies and the chocolate. Here, you can have this one.
Thanks! Mmm! It's really good! We're so smart!
Alright, time for a treat. Hey, you want a soda?
Oh wow, thanks! This is gonna be great! It was so smart of you to bring these. Oh no! Are you kidding me? Great. Now how am I supposed to drink this? I guess all I can do is stare at it now. Wait! I think that just might work! Come on, scissors! Shoot. It didn't work. Back to staring at it. Okay! New idea! Hedge trimmers! Ah! Yeah, no. Better not try that one. Maybe I'll never get to drink it.
Hey, what's wrong? Oh, I see. Hand it over. I can fix it. All you need is a metal straw. Just rub it around here.
Really? How is this supposed to fix anything?
Voila! See? It popped right open!
Amazing! Thank you so much! Cheers!
This show is so great! It just cracks me up. Aw, man. I think I'm out of chips. Shoot. Nothing left. Not even crumbs. Whoa. I made a huge mess. I'll just brush these crumbs off my shirt. Wow. That's really a lot of them. Okay. There we go. Nice and clean. Oh. I've just made another mess on the floor now. I just can't win.
Wait! What's that on the floor? Look at that huge mess you've made! You need to clean that up right now! And clean up my mess, too!
What? How is that fair? Ugh, it's such a huge pile, too. Wait a second. I just came up with a fantastic idea! I've got my dustpan, hand broom, and some foam tape. I'll just add 2 pieces to the handles. Okay, they're ready for the next step. Time to bring in the slippers. I'll connect the dustpan to this slipper. And the broom to the other slipper. Perfect! Just like that. Now I'm ready to clean. Alright, slippers. Are you ready to do this? Here we go! Yes! They're working! I don't have to bend over or anything. Whoa! Just have to keep my balance. I'm totally getting all the crumbs, though. Easy, easy. Okay, this is the last bit. And done! The floor is clean! Ah, this might be the smartest thing I've ever done. Broom slippers! Huh, that's interesting. Wow, I find that really surprising. Hey, pass me those chips. Fine, here you go. These are good. I wonder how they did that experiment. Hey, pass me back the chips. I'll leave them in the center. That way we can both reach. Oof, they're getting pretty low in the tube. Huh? Hey, where did the chips go? Excuse me, I need some. Uh-oh. I can't reach them. Well, now what? Wait, I can totally fix this problem. I'll start cutting down here at the bottom. Now for some vertical cuts. And there we go. I'll just take this off. Now I have a perfect way to access the chips at the bottom. Excellent. And now back to my studying. It seems she's unaware of the improved design. I'll just give her a little help. Much better. It's a vastly improved design, in my opinion. Ugh. Have you created any hacks in your life? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!